This is our very first day of filming on 23 degrees, and we've begun on the 3rd of January in a blizzard. We're on Aonach Moor in Scotland. It's one of the highest mountains, and there's been a blizzard raging all day, and I'm looking very unladylike. But it's kind of spectacular, and it does make you feel alive. And what we've been doing today is celebrating the extraordinary date of the 3rd of January, because the 3rd of January is when the Earth is closest to the Sun. Can you believe it? And look at it out there. I mean, it's just white out. But this series is also celebrating the seasons. It is 100% winter at the moment. And as you know, I do love my seasons. I've been, well, watching spring and autumn for the last 8 years or so. But this series is going to give me the opportunity to really relish all the seasons all over the world. So I may be a little bit cold and damp now, but I'm quite excited about the year ahead.